What's happening? You are tuned in to an episode of Cooking with King Fletch. Today, I'm going at these burgers again, y'all, but this time it's not going to be egg and bacon on them. I'm going to make a cheese roux sauce. I went and got some prime rib burgers from you know where, Walmart. I got some pretzel buns. Oh yeah, Bavarian pretzel hamburger buns. So we're gonna make that. I'm gonna saute some onions up, slice some tomatoes. We'll have a little lettuce on these, and I'm also gonna make a sauce, kind of like my own version of an aioli, but I use a little bit of mustard, ketchup, mayonnaise, and Tabasco sauce for a little kick. It's gonna be real good. So stay with me. I'm gonna go ahead and get this burger journey started. It's not a whole lot to making a burger. Throw them in the skillet, make them happen. Boom, boom, boom. Put them on the grill. Whatever you're gonna do with them. But I'm gonna make a cheese roux sauce using a cheddar and Swiss mix, and that is gonna complement that pretzel bun. Stay tuned. I'm gonna start off adding my burgers in. While I got my burgers cooking, I'm gonna get started on my roux. Just add about a tablespoon and a half of butter. Drop that right in there. Let that melt down. Put a little splash of milk in there. Cheese I'm gonna be using, Kraft brand cheddar and Swiss mix. That's gonna make us a creamy cheese sauce to go over the top of these burgers. So I'm just adding some olive oil. So I'm getting ready to get started on my onions. And I've just realized that my butter has melted and my milk is warm. So let's go ahead and get that roux going for that cheese sauce. It's gonna be a thick, cheesy sauce to go on our burgers. Just stir that all around. Let everything get acquainted in there. That butter, that cheese, and that milk. And as you can see, it's starting to melt. So I also just turned my heat down back here. So I don't need to do too much to this. So that's a little bit of olive oil, probably a tablespoon and a half. I got my onions, I'm gonna drop them right in there. To that I'm gonna add some butter. And some Lowry's garlic salt. That's the end all be all to everything. That Lowry's garlic salt, a little bit. That's the main one. I'm gonna add some beer to that. So we're gonna have beer onions. And this is gonna be very, very good for a moment as it cooks down. It's gonna be real good. So I've sliced all of my pretzel buns in half, as you can see. I'm going to take these and stick them in the microwave so they can get kind of soft. We're just going to add a minute and let those do what they do for a second in the microwave. Now I'm going to get down to my little homemade Aoli. So I'm going to add some mayonnaise, a couple teaspoons of mayonnaise, pour in some ketchup. And dabble in a little bit of mustard, just a little. And what I do with that, take some Tabasco sauce, hit it all, make it nice and spicy. Tabasco gonna make it serious. Alright. So we got mustard, ketchup, Tabasco sauce, and mayonnaise. And just whip that all up in there. And just spread that on all of our burgers. Tastes proper, baby. This is serious. My little aioli. And that's my baby tray. Beautiful burger, right? All right. Beautiful. Add some of those beer onions to it. Yes, beer onions. Okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit of greens on here. Just a little bit of salad on my burger, right? I heard somebody say that. So we got spinach, arugula, just a spring mix of lettuce, right? I'm gonna take myself a tomato slice, put it right on top of that. We just going all in with the cheese sauce. Because remember, this is a pretzel bun. So that cheese sauce is gonna be the standout of this whole picture. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a burger. Let me just cut mine in half. It's a sloppy joker. Cut that open so y'all can get a look inside of that.